And a big thank you, as we have received dozens of videos and photos from our News 2 viewers today showing the impact of the storm in the area.
We're going to take a look at this photo from Thomasina Wilson. Another look at the impacts of flooding on Murfreesboro Pike in South Nashville. That's right there at the subway. We were showing you from the backside of the subway. Here's what was happening in front of that restaurant. As you can see here, someone standing on top of their vehicle with nowhere to go because of those high waters. And now more flooding in Green Hills. This is video from Rasmussen Sagan showing floodwaters outside of his home, just one of several residents unable to pull out of their own driveways earlier today.
And this sinkhole opened up in Sumner County. Chief Deputy Tommy Greer sent us this photo, a massive sinkhole right off the roadway. News 2 will continue monitoring photos from viewers, and you can email them to us at pics@wkrn.com.